Hey everybody!
It's Alex and Marco, and today we're going to show you a couple of the other things we did to fix up our van. So, without further ado, let's go check out the van.
Well, I think we should probably go back inside. It's a bit cold out here. The car's covered. Oh no. Okay, you ready to go back in?
Sure.
Alright, we're back inside. Marco's got to go do some stuff. So here we go. So now it's Alessandra here, and in case you missed our last video, we just bought our own little van to renovate so that we could go exploring around Europe. In our first few videos, we talked about the questions we asked ourselves before buying our van, and also the first steps we took to outfitting her. So now came the challenging bit of Vanbuild 1.0, building our bed from scratch. And full disclaimer, we are in no way professionals. Just avid DIYers. We started by searching Pinterest and Instagram for inspiration about how to lay out our van. Since we would not be living in our van for long periods of time, we wouldn't need to add some things like a little kitchen or lots of storage options. This helped rule out some of the options out there. Then we decided that for Vanbuild 1.0, we would make a bed which could also turn into a couch, with the idea that we could fit our bikes in there when driving, or have a little bit of extra hangout space. Then we started making our own little drawings of how to build out the bed area. After a weekend of drawing designs and researching, we settled on a design and got to work building the bed frame. We chose this design because it wouldn't weigh too much in the back of the van, and it also gave us the most flexibility for future van upgrades. Mold was also a concern of ours, so we wanted enough space for the mattress to breathe. Also, since this was our first time making a bed from scratch, we figured doing something a little less permanent might be a good idea. So then we got to shaping the wood and building our bed. Building the bed itself took about 2 weekends. We first cut all the shapes we needed, then sanded them down to avoid splinters, and started attaching them to themselves so it would look like a bed. It looks so good!
So,
Oh my gosh! Okay.
you can do it like this.
Yeah.
You just need to know it somewhere like cuttings maybe, but that's
Yeah.
paint them.
Okay. Yep.
Is that how?
And this comes out this way? And you can snap. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, with the little things and then they bang into place.
Yeah.
That's so cool! Afterwards, we gave her a nice little coat of paint so it wouldn't stand out too much in the car. We figured black would be the easiest to repair in the future and not clash too much with the inside of the van. The bed frame has turned out to be fantastic. However, we have hit 1 or 2 snags in the road. Lucky enough for us, it was pretty easy to repair it, and the bed looks even better now than it did before. For mattresses to put on top, we debated between comfort and space. Some of the mattresses we saw were built for vans and therefore were much thinner, thereby giving us more space overall in the van. But as the mattress wouldn't be in the van all the time, we decided to go with a smaller version of the mattress we currently sleep on, so that we knew we would be getting a good night's rest. It is for vacation after all. After this was done, Vanbuild 1.0 was finished. Now all that was left was to give the van a test drive to see how it all turned out. But more on that in our next video. We are so grateful for all of you watching and can't wait to show you more of our shenanigans in the future. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave all your questions in the comments, and subscribe if you'd like to hear more about our journey. Until next time!